If your audio is delayed when using Bluetooth in your car, like the sound doesn't match the video or there's a lag when playing music, don't worry. Here are some simple ways to fix Bluetooth delay on your iPhone. First, turn your Bluetooth off and back on. Just go to Settings, tap Bluetooth, switch it off, wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. This refreshes the connection and can fix minor delays. Next, forget and reconnect your car's Bluetooth. In your Bluetooth settings, find your car's name, tap the I icon, then tap Forget this device. After that, reconnect it like you're pairing it for the first time. Another tip is to close background apps. Sometimes apps running in the background can cause lag. Just swipe and close the apps you're not using. You should also check your audio settings. If you're using streaming apps, try lowering the audio quality slightly. This can reduce delay, especially if your connection isn't stable. If the delay is happening when watching videos, try pausing and playing again, or reconnecting Bluetooth. Some apps need a quick refresh to sync the audio properly. Also, make sure your iPhone is updated. Go to Settings, General, then Software Update. Updates can fix bugs related to Bluetooth performance. And if nothing works, you can reset your network settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then tap Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Just remember, this will remove saved Wi Fi passwords. And that's it. Try these steps and your Bluetooth audio should be smoother and more in sync.